Everybody, this is Ian Lamont, founder of i30 Media Corp and the author of the Lean Media book, blog, and video channel available from leanmedia.org, which you are looking at right now. Today I'm going to be talking about creating a manual collection on Shopify. And I'm going to show you exactly what that is in a moment and show you how to make one. Quick disclaimer, you're responsible for following Shopify's terms and whatever relevant local laws and regulations may apply to what you're doing, and carefully evaluate risks before following any advice you hear online. And your experience may be different than what I'm about to show you depending on when you watch this video and also how you have Shopify set up. So here's one of my Shopify stores. I'm a publisher, among other things, and I sell these cheat sheets as well as some books that you can see right here. You can organize on Shopify your products into things called collections. A collection is just what it sounds like. It's a group of products. The products can be maybe a certain type of product, like this is one collection, Microsoft cheat sheets. And if I go to Shop Now, it will take me right there to this particular page, and you can see all the cheat sheets that are in that particular collection. I have other collections as well. One of them is called Google Cheat Sheets. And then I have something called In 30 Minutes Books. That is its own collection as well. So another thing that's worth mentioning is up here on the top, I have collections as well. This is the same collection. The Microsoft, this is in the navigation of the website, as is Google. I believe Catalog is a collection too. Yeah, it is. It's a collection called All. So if I click on that collection, it'll show all my products. And I went through the trouble of actually creating all these collections so I could do things on my home page, like have 3 different collections stacked on top of one another, or have special collections in the navigation, like this one. And by the way, it's okay to have a collection with overlapping content. So for instance, Google Cheat Sheets, you can see it has a book, Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and you can also see the same book in the In 30 Minutes Books collection. It's okay to do that. So what I'm going to show you is how to create a manual collection. That is, you manually pick what's going to go into the collection. And let's get going. So here is my Shopify interface for that website we were just looking at. To go to collections, go to products, then go to collections. And you can see all the collections I have. And I have to say, I've done a couple things not so carefully. For instance, this one, Education Cheat Sheets. I didn't put a thumbnail for that particular collection, but hopefully I'm going to be about to do that right now. What I'm going to do is create a new collection. We're not looking at old ones. Let's create a new one. And actually, let's call that collection New. New Products. Let's just call it New. Why not? Description. It says it's optional, but I urge you, put in a description. New products and cheat sheets from In 30 Minutes Guides. And the reason why you need to do that is sometimes this text will show up on the collection page itself. Other times it will show up in Google. In fact, it shows at the bottom, Search Engine Listing Preview. This is actually a pretty short description, so later on I might improve that a little bit. And actually, if you want to, you can make the page title new. So I could call this New Cheat Sheets. That shows up on Google, but it actually won't show up on my own website. It'll just call it New. So let's just call it Save. Oh, okay. So I have to actually, it's giving me a warning. I need to add products. So collection type, manual and automated. We're not doing automated today. I'll do that on another video. We're going to do manual. Add products to this collection one by one. So let's save that. All right, now it's going to let me add products. So I just told you I'm going to add new products, and I know what those products are. So one of the newest products actually are the intermediate cheat sheets. So let's type in intermediate. I think there's 3 of them. Yep, here they are. 1, 2, 3. Add. And then maybe also I want to add one of the new books. So I know that the PowerPoint book is actually in its 2nd edition, and I think we published that late last year. Here it is, PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes. That's new as well. So I can go through and keep on identifying whatever product fits the new description. And maybe also what I want to do is I want to add an image describing that collection. So maybe I'll have my designer whip up a some sort of graphic that shows all 4 of these items, or I could do something like just get my designer or get some stock art that says "new!" exclamation point, and it's in like red text. You know what I'm talking about. I could do something like that. And whatever it is, I'm going to actually automatically it saved it. It looks like. And then the other thing I can do is I can update my menu. It's actually prompting me to do that right now. So I'm going to update my menu. This goes to the navigation. So I have 2 menus. I have the footer menu that's at the bottom of the page. Actually, I'll show you exactly where that is. This is the footer menu. And then at the top of the page, this is, what do they call that? The main menu. So I'm going to put it on the main menu. So it shows the items here. Home, About, Books, Catalog, Google, Microsoft Contact. Remember that? That's right at the top of the page. Home, About, Books, Catalog, Google, Microsoft Contact. So if I want to, I can add a menu item and I call it new. And then I'm going to look for the link. Just select Collections and then find New. There it is. And then click Add. And then if I want to, I can move it around. So maybe I'll put it right after Catalog. And click Save. Let's take a look at the web page and see if it shows up. There it is, New. Click on that, and there are the products I just added. For more information on how to get the most out of Shopify and other services, including Amazon advertising, Amazon KDP, Amazon FBA, I did a couple of videos about using WooCommerce in WordPress. I've made a whole bunch of videos about that. It's available from leanmedia.org/video, or just go to my YouTube channel, which you may be watching right now. If this video helped you, please like it or consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I have videos like this all the time, and I'm updating the channel pretty much constantly. And my name is Ian Lamont. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.